Hey guys, welcome to EIKV. This is Vishnu. So in this illustration, the following table shows an interest rate and exchange rate for the US dollar and French francs. The spot exchange rate would be 7.05 francs per dollar. Compute the following entries. Then they have given a table containing 4 columns, and first one is particulars and 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Dollar interest rate would be 11, 12, and 7. Next one, France interest rate. It would be 19% for 3 months, and there will be a blank, and then for 1 year it would be 20%. In the same way, the dollar interest rate would be for 3 months it would be 11%, and for 6 months it would be 12%, and for 1 year it is nil. So we need to fill this column. In the same way, the third one, it would be for forward France per dollar. So forward France per dollar for 3 months it would be nil, for 6 months it would be nil, and for 1 year it would be 7.5%. And forward discount rate on France, this percentage it would be for 3 months it would be nil, for 6 months it would be 6.3, and for 1 year it would be 0. So going ahead with the solution, it would be like spot exchange rate for $1 it would be 7.05, which is given in the question. 3 month forward would be the spot rate into 1 plus France interest rate of 3 months divided by 1 plus dollar interest rate of 3 months. It would be 7.05 into 1 plus 19.5 divided by 4 divided by 1 plus 11.5 divided by 4. So it would be 7.1871. So the interest rate passive method. So this is how the interest rate, this entire illustration is regarding interest rate passive method. So you need to first study the interest rate passive formula. So it would be spot rate into 1 plus interest rate divided by 1 plus interest rate of the foreign currency and home currency. So it would be like for second, here the first answer it would be like 7.18. So here we need to fill as 7.18 for 1 year. So forward France per dollar it would be 7.18 over here. Okay, now the next one would be forward discount rate for 3 months. So forward discount rate for 3 months is nothing but spot minus future, that is we have computed, divided by spot. So the formula would be spot rate, forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 100, considering months. So it would be like 7.1871 is the forward rate. So 7, that is 7.1871 minus 7.05 divided by 7.05 into 100 multiplied by 12 by 3, which gives you 7.78 annually. So the discount rate would be 7.78. So going further, for the next calculation for 6 months, it would be like interest rate for passive theorem, it would be short rate into 1 plus discounting rate of foreign currency divided by discounting rate of foreign currency. So it would be like 7.05 into 1 plus 6.03 into 6 by 12. So it would be like 7.05 into 1 plus 0.00315, gives you 7.77%. So the France interest rate would be for 6 months, assuming the France interest rate is equal to X. So we are considering France interest rate should be X. Applying the same in the formula of the interest rate parity theory, it would be France spot rate into 1 plus France interest rate divided by for 6 months divided by 1 plus dollar interest rate of 6 months. It would be 7.2721 equals 7.05 into 1 plus X divided by 2 divided by 1 plus 12.25 divided by 2, and by solving the equation we will get X as 18.94. So going further, that the dollar interest rate for 1 year. So now we have computed these two figures. So the first one, that is the France interest rate, would be as we computed over here as 7.2721, and then we have computed the 6 months France interest rate. So as we computed, it would be 18.94 percentage. We over here France per dollar, it would be 0.17 percentage. Now going ahead with the dollar interest rate for 1 year, assuming dollar interest rate should be X, and applying same in the interest rate parity theorem, it would be forward rate equals France per spot rate multiplied by 1 plus France interest rate of 1 year divided by 1 plus dollar interest rate of 1 year. It would be 7.52 equals 7.05 into 1 plus 20 percentage divided by 1 plus X, and we're computing by solving the equation the interest rate would be 12.5%. Now forward discounting rate. So the forward discounting rate is now nothing but forward rate minus spot rate divided by spot rate into 100 and converted it into months. It will be 6.67%. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.